Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible phone and a card you can actually add. That's the first step. Open Google Pay, tap Add a Payment Method, and choose Card or Bank. Enter details or snap the card photo. This speeds entry and reduces typos. Once done, verify via SMS or bank app when prompted so your card is authorized. Make sure to enable NFC in settings so Tap to Pay works at terminals. This is the practical reason you prepare the device now. Now focus on verification and security because payments require trust. Complete the bank's verification code. Without it, the card stays limited. Then, enforce a screen lock, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint because Google Pay blocks transactions on unlocked devices. Next, activate two-step verification on your Google account to reduce fraud risk. It's the safety net if someone gets your password. Finally, confirm default payment method for a NAP and tap payment. You're ready to pay. Tap your phone at a contactless terminal or select Google Pay online. Simple and fast. Monitor transactions in the app after each purchase to spot errors and remove or freeze a card immediately if lost or unauthorized charges appear. If a payment fails, make sure NFC is on, the phone has internet, and the app is updated. Those fixes resolve most problems. If still stuck, contact your bank using the app's support option for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.